Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. What's in this big box? Let's find out. Oh, wow. So this box was sent by the folks at United Exchange Corporation. They're the ones who make Tapatio ramen, and let's see what they sent. Well, this is the first of three new varieties. This is carne asada Tapatio ramen. And yeah, here's what, this is a flat of 6 of them. They sent a couple of these. That's pretty cool. Now let's see what these cups look like. And there you are, carne asada. Next up, we've got lime chili shrimp. And there you are. And then here's one that's gotten pretty viral pretty quick. I haven't tried this one, but you can go to the food trucks and you get ramen with birria, which is I believe it's a goat meat stew that's a little bit spicy, but they take the stew and they throw instant noodles in it, and then yeah, it's like a food truck thing. But here is their new Tapatio Birria cups. And here's how they look. And again, I want to thank the nice folks for sending this over. Yeah, Tapatio ramen, 3 new varieties. You should be able to find these in the grocery store. I know the one down the road has them. And yeah, I don't know about these varieties yet, but I'm sure they will be there soon. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Watch for these reviews. Have a good one. Bye.